Thanks, Meeta. Can we now invite Paltu Acharji to please address the gathering?
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Uh, Before I say anything, I would like to say how I am here and why I am here out of everyone. So the process was, I got a call suddenly from Mr. Sri Prakash, and he called me, we chose you, and the message was like, sometimes we get from our telecom service provider, sir, आपकी SIM हमारी कंपनी ने चूज किया है, तो I thought I will get something. So my immediate impression was that. Then I listened him, and then he told, so we expect you to say something in our vision retreat. So it was like the immediate next thinking was like, sir, आपको कुछ pay करना पड़ेगा. So I have to pay here. So then I thought, okay, it's okay. I will take the help of seniors. Then another bloke came. He said it should be secret. So I said, okay, very good. Then I thought, then how I will do? Then I followed the same principle which I was preaching. If you see my signature in my official email ID, it says, you need to talk to yourself at least once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss meeting an excellent individual on this path. So the best option was that I talk to myself. And I come out with something that I can share with you. So that is how I am here. And now the question is what I am supposed to say. I didn't know. So I was observing what people are saying. Then initial group, I thought I would say something. Then what happened? The next group, they said something. So it got mixed up. So let me forget everything and let me say what I want to say from myself within. All of us, we say, and we are trying to figure out how we can outreach, and then what we can develop and everything. But everyone is speaking in English. I think we are lagging behind many people who don't understand English. There are many people here. So मैं हिंदी में भी बोलना चाहूँगा. और क्योंकि मैं आउटरीच का पार्ट था, अभी जो हमारे ग्रुप में डिवीजन हुआ है उसमें पीछे कुछ लोग थे जो मेरा अंडरस्टैंडिंग ये है कि उनको उतने अच्छे से इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आता है. सो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जो लैंग्वेज है, इट शुड बी अ मीडियम टू कनेक्ट. इट शुड नॉट बिकम अ बैरियर, बट इट हैज बिकम, वो बन गया यहाँ पे, और पता नहीं क्यों. और हमें वो पता भी नहीं चल रहा. हमारी आधी जो डिविजन खत्म हो चुकी है और किसी ने हिंदी में बात की. सो ऑलमोस्ट half of the opportunity of the day. So I think it's okay. So इसको ध्यान पर रखते हुए मेरी हिंदी उतनी अच्छी है नहीं है, and forget about who I am because it is immaterial and that is not my sentence. Someone else has said. It is not important who is telling. It is important what is being told. So I need not to introduce myself. It's okay. Now the thing is, what I am doing here and why. So I will not say you some philosophical sentence and something so that I can impress everyone. No. Initially my thought was that I should earn something. Of course, while I was in a college, my thinking was I should get some good job. I should earn money. I should help my family. Yes, that is how my idea was while I was in college. But the thing is, with time, my thinking changed. So after I left my education and I joined, my first job was in Siemens in Bangalore in their R&D division. So my thinking changed and my thinking was, okay, I need to develop some technology because I am in a corporate technology division in their R&D division. Okay, fine. Then I figured out, no, it's not working with me because I don't want to restrict myself only for technology and not knowing what it is going to do. So I got surprisingly a call from Terry, and it connected very well. At the time I was thinking they found me. So then I joined Terry in 2009. I don't know who is lucky, me or Terry. So it depends. But since I am here for last 7 years, it shows Terry is also lucky. I am also lucky, but Terry is also lucky. So the thing is, why I am doing now? I started with earning money. Then I thought, okay, only technology it's not working because I have to do something. Now, why I should do? And we are discussing where are the opportunities for Terry to grow. There are some people have said. You are struggling to find opportunities. I find it very tough. You every day you observe and you find there are n number of problems. Those problems are not opportunities. Don't say these are opportunities. Say these are responsibilities. So these are our responsibilities. We should work. And we are struggling where Terry can expand. Terry can expand everywhere because after 70 years of our independence, we are saying toilet banao. This is a shame for us. After 70 years, हम बोल रहे हैं अगर बन गया तो उनको encourage करो use करने के लिए. This is, and next you get a news. Okay, ISRO has done a marvelous job. Earlier record was 36 satellites at a single attempt. Now we have 104. So it's such a great news. And parallel you have toilet बनाओ उसको use करो. So where we are, that is where I think Terry should come into picture, because there are certain gaps. And the best learning process, there are people who are saying how we can give trainings. Trainings, you just make people understand that they need to observe around themselves what is happening and where are the problems. हमारे यहाँ पे हम लोग जितने लोग हैं, अगर जहाँ तक मेरी समझ है वो यही है कि हम लोग उस पर काम कर रहे हैं जो छूट गया. हम डेवलप करते रहे, हमारी सस्टेनेबल तरीके से डेवलपमेंट छूट गया, तो हम सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं. हम डेवलप करते गए, पीछे बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे छूट गए जिनके पास एनर्जी की एक्सेस नहीं है, तो वो छूट गया, उनके लिए काम कर रहे हैं. अभी सारी चीजें हम, अगर आप अपनी जो भी जिस फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं आप देखो, हम वो कर रहे हैं जो छूट गया हमसे. तो बेसिकली वी आर ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट क्या क्या छूट गया और उसको करना था. वही सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट है. सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट ये बहुत ही नेचुरल इंस्टिंक्ट है हमारा होना. फिर हुआ क्यों नहीं? क्योंकि उसके लिए जो हमें ऑब्जर्व करना था हमारे सराउंडिंग में वो हमने किया नहीं है. और हमने किसी ने इंस्ट्रक्ट किया तो वो काफी सारे लोगों ने बहुत कुछ कहा है. बट बिफोर दैट आई शुड स्टार्ट विथ वन कोट बाय रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर which is there in your first floor, which says the highest education is not mere getting information, it is that education which gives you the learning to make yourself aware and conscious of being in coexistence with all the existence. So that is the sentence which I believed, and surprisingly I found that Rabindranath already said that. So this is very surprising, because but it was my way of thinking. And the lucky part is I found it in the first floor. My seat is also in the first floor. So every day morning I get inspired by the thought process which I was thinking already. Anyway, now there are, because I am in the mid level of my career in Terry, so as I understand, my one responsibility, I said there are problems which we should take as responsibilities, not opportunities. Responsibilities, we need to work on this. So now there are people who are expecting कि मैं mid level का हूँ तो मैं एक connection बनूँ जो बहुत ही एकदम junior level के हैं, जो senior level के हैं. अब मैं वो कैसे बनूंगा पता नहीं, but मैं of course बोल सकता हूँ. दो तरीके से हैं. एक तो सीनियर लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, क्या बोला जाता है, जो मैंने देखा है, ऑब्जर्व किया है, और एक जो जूनियर लोग बोलते हैं. जूनियर की ये कहानी है कि हमें तो पता ही नहीं है कि किस पे काम करनी है, कौन सी थीम पे काम करें, कोई तो बताओ. तो उसका सोल्यूशन ये है, देयर इज अ फेमस कोट बाय वोल्टेयर हु सेड, इफ यू कांट फाइंड अ गॉड यू नीड टू इन्वेंट वन. सो इफ यू आर सेइंग सो मच ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स एंड यू आर सेइंग कि हमें पता ही नहीं है कि किस पे काम करना है, प्लीज इन्वेंट वन. आप उसको इन्वेंट कर लो पहले एंड देन कम फॉर हेल्प और सजेशन व्हाट एवर यू वांट. इन दिस सेम वे सीनियर्स व्हाट दे से, नहीं वो तो कर नहीं रहे हैं, वो तो फिर उनको कुछ और बोला जाता है, वो कहीं और कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. हाँ, तो वो समझ में नहीं आना वो अपने आप में एक हमारी कमजोरी है. हमें वो समझ में आना चाहिए था. दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ बीइंग ए सीनियर दैट वी आर सपोज्ड टू डू. फिर हम कर क्यों नहीं पाए? देयर इज सम गैप. अब उनके लिए भी मैंने एक कोट सोचा हुआ है, सबके लिए एक एक चाहिए. तो उनके लिए यह है कि नॉर्मली ये कहा जाता है कि इफ यू स्टार्ट जजिंग ए फिश बाय इट्स एबिलिटी टू क्लाइंब ए ट्री, इट विल ऑलवेज लिव अंडर द इंप्रेशन दैट इट इज अ फूल. सो whosoever are here, they have qualified up to a certain level, they have crossed certain barriers. Those the country as a whole, the system as a whole have decided that you need to be M.Tech, B.Tech or whatever the criteria. So they have come after crossing that level. Even after that, if you are not able to harness that, then there is something जो छूट गया. Or please let us work जो छूट गया. Thank you.